One of the problems that can arise when straightening an image using the crop tool is that by default, the crop tool shrinks the marquee to fit inside of the document. I'm going to tap C to select the crop tool, and then I will right click on the crop icon, or you can control click on Mac in order to reset the crop tool. And then I'll tap the escape key in order to escape out of this crop here, and then just click anywhere in the image to set the crop again. Then I'll position my cursor outside of the crop tool, and I just want to straighten it a little bit. And I'm looking at the windows in that little farmhouse back there, just kind of making them a little bit more level. But by default, the crop tool is constrained to within the image area, because if we reposition the crop handles outside of the image area, then we'd be left with white areas if we were on a background, or transparent areas if we were on a layered document. But we also have this an option to enable content aware. And content aware will attempt to fill in any of these white areas with information from the image. So I'll go ahead and click on the check mark, and Photoshop will calculate and fill in those areas by making up information. Now, it did an excellent job on this image. It might not always do a perfect job, but the borders here were very organic with the grass as well as the clouds. So you might need to go in and do a little bit of retouching after you use Content Aware, depending on the content of the image. But the great thing is that when you do have organic images, it'll probably get you 85 to 90% of the way there. I'll be talking more about the retouching tools like the healing brush and the patch tool in later chapters, but the next time you need to change the crop of the image and fill in those extended areas, be sure to try the Content Aware Crop option with the crop tool.